Have you ever thought that most of your business expenses can be cut down? Here we throw light on few of those which can be easily applied to almost any business. Use these simple techniques and save millions. Let's see what are those. First and foremost, let's see how COVID-19 has impacted the business world. In this COVID-19 situation, running a business has become a huge challenge for most of the businesses globally. These are hard times, unpredicted, like economists call this a black swan. It has become a factor that controls mostly all of the processes happening, affecting business sales and operations badly. In an effect, lack of investments and cost of managing the daily expenses for sustaining the businesses has become a major issue. Now, let's see how we can overcome these problems with these simple cost-cutting techniques. Review all expenses, even the little ones, because even the little ones matter, which build up later to a greater sum. Check and cut down unnecessary expenses, which on thorough review can be found and cut down. A healthy cash flow is a bloodline for businesses, so track dues closely and send follow-ups. Close up your books as early as possible to keep a healthy cash flow. Improper management of accounts and taxes can drown your whole business, so stay on top of your taxes and utilize government tax saving options wisely. So how will you do these things effectively? Nowadays, most of the businesses are opting to outsource the accounts to tackle these issues. Outsourcing your accounts can save a lot. Let's see how. Outsourcing your accounting task to a third-party company is now a very common option due to the lot of perks it offers, like expert group of people handling your accounts, etc. Having a full-time employee to handle accounts, accounting software costs, etc. add up a lot, whereas outsourcing will cost you up to 60% to 80% lesser. Get many other add-on benefits from accounts outsourcing, like free invoicing softwares, tax filing, proper digital management of all accounts, bookkeeping, and many more. So move on to outsourcing as early as possible and save millions. Another most important cash drain happens in marketing. Let's see how we can cut down costs in marketing. Cut down traditional advertising and marketing techniques by moving on to digital marketing techniques, which are more targeted and also far more cheaper than the traditional. Have you ever thought, if you have a friend or another business who needs same target audience or the marketing of same product, sharing the marketing cost with other same domain or local businesses can save you a lot, especially if you are startups or small businesses who can't spend a lot on marketing. Next, let's see how to cut down the office expenses. Convert your work into a work from home model, thus reducing the office space requirements and expenses. Go green, go digital, thus cutting down expenses for stationeries, etc. Also, it will speed up your processes too. Avoiding meetings physically but rather doing virtual meetings, thus saving transportation, lodging expenses, etc. This technique is especially for startups or small businesses who are just starting off. Use used equipments for your business needs, in which way you can save a lot. As we spoke earlier, the importance of digital marketing, but have you ever thought you can make digital marketing work for you even in these difficult times? Let's see it in detail now. Social media marketing and optimization is an easiest and cost-effective way of marketing your brand with a very high success rate. Email marketing by sending emails to targeted audience can help a lot, especially in the B2B space. Having a website nowadays is like having an ID proof for businesses. If you don't have it yet, please do it now. Marketing and sale on an online web platform is the most important thing for the businesses to succeed.